I'm Chris Carter. I will try in this video to explain how to easily navigate both my website and the art community, the artist's journey. There are a lot of different links that send you to a lot of different places, and I will try to make it easy for you to get to the information that you'd like to get to. It changes all the time because of technology, and I will do my best to keep up with it. If you have any questions or any problems with it, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. You can email me at chris@chriscarterart.com, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. So this is the website. When you type in either explorewithchriscarter.com or chriscarterart.com, you arrive at the same place. Once you're at the website, you'll see at the top your choice to go to the store, to your library, to the blog, to a gallery of artwork. You can log in, you can go to the About and Contact, where you can get in touch with me. You may or may not have received an email that says this: we've set up an account for you on Kaleidoscope, Chris Carter Artist. To finish creating your account, set up a password. So when you click set up a password, you'll come to the website and you'll create a password. So you'll type in your password and then you'll confirm it and you'll submit it. This is where you'll go. It will bring you right in to your library. Once you've set your password, the next time you log in, click log in, type in your email, type in your password. It will bring you right in to your library. From your library, you can always go back to the store. You can go to the blog, okay, where you can click and look at any of the blog posts. You can go to the gallery, where you can see different art, and I'll go over that in another video. The About is just a bit of blurb about me. And the Contact is where you can get in touch with me. So let's go back to your library. All right, so this is where you go once you sign in. And up here, for the people that are members of the Artist's Journey, I've put quick links up at the top, because what happens is all the products that are available to you are listed, and it takes 2 pages. So these are all the products that are available to you. So you would have to go through here and find the Artist's Journey each and every time, which would be a real nuisance. Okay, so if you scan down, here it is, way down there. Okay, but rather than do that, I've put a quick link up here, and I've also put another link for the Come Walk With Me class, which is a different kind of class that is available to you through the Artist's Journey, but people can also subscribe just to the Come Walk With Me. And if that's the case, rather than scroll all through the other things that they may have available to them, because they may have purchased them at an earlier time, they can click here, and there you are at Come Walk With Me. Now at Come Walk With Me, there's the introduction. Now these, all of the meandering thoughts as I walk, are mostly my early morning walks, where I video some of the thoughts I have, and it's just a real wandering through, and it may be your cup of tea or not, but these will change because there's so many. once we get going, I will archive all but 7. So as I add new ones each week, I will archive the older ones. Now, if you're a member of the Artist Journey, you have access to those archived videos. Same thing with the demos of just sketching, where I film when I'm sketching outside. These are some older ones. I'm making new ones. And those two will change on a weekly basis. Don't know what day, but during the week, some will be added, some will be archived. And then we have 2 kinds of sketching. This is the normal sketching, and this is the extreme sketching, where I'm sketching while I'm paragliding. I'm painting with feather gloves. Here I'm in a canoe, and in this one I've climbed to the top of the mast of a sailboat. So I don't know how often I'll add to these, so I'll keep 6 or 7 up there. And down here are the artsy-fartsy ones. I call them artsy-fartsy when they move very slowly and you have to really concentrate. You can't be doing other things while you're watching them. So anyway, that's where those are. So this is all in Come Walk With Me. And that is, for the members of the Artist Journey, this is part of your package. If we go back now, go back to my library. So if you're going to the Artist Journey, click there and you're right in the community. And in the community, we have the forum. You can get to the forum, which this is the forum. This is the feed. Okay, so that you can also get to the forum down here, the circle down here. It's the same thing, but it's easy for you to do it right up here. Challenges, if you want to participate in the challenges, it's under the challenges. The meetups, this is important. So this is where I will be putting the links to the weekly Monday Art Book Club Sketchbook Storytime meetings. They'll be right here. This is the link that you'll click to go there when it's time. You will be getting a notice in the forum to remind you that it's coming up. And sometimes I'll put in the links ahead of time, so you may see several things here. You might also see meetups for other things. I have some other ideas, and all of those meetups that are planned ahead will be in this area. You need to click here to go to the Zoom rather than live, all right? The live, it's another way to communicate, but if you click the live, you're not going to get to the Art Book Club meeting. The reason for that is that these live meetings are recorded, but the resolution is not that great. Instead, I run all the planned meetups through my Zoom account, and that way I can easily edit the recordings. You don't have to watch the whole thing if we get really sidetracked. And also it's just far better resolution. It's better quality of the video. But there is a good use for this. I'll get into that on another time. And then resources, you can click on this. This will bring you to a page where you have links to different things. I want to point out here that these 2 links, originally Sketchbook Storytime was separate from Art Book Club. And it was just too much for me because there are other things that I want to do, like demos and things that I figured we would combine, or I would combine these. So these recordings, these are links to the recordings prior to November 6th. November 6th is when I merged the 2 together, and now on Mondays we have a session that's Art Book Club and Sketchbook Storytime combined. Okay, and all of those recordings, you can follow that link. Up here too is a quick link to the Art Book Club Sketchbook Storytime recorded sessions. So here are the recorded sessions, right? And then this is a link to the miscellaneous videos, which may not fall into any special category, but there are a lot of different videos in here too. So there's just so much that you have access to. If you want to go back to your library, you can go right there, and you can click on any of these classes and then just start the course. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll probably be tweaking this video, but at least it's a start. Thank you for joining me.